In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recipe book in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, having all your recipes organized in one place can be incredibly helpful. Notion is a versatile tool that lets you customize your workspace, and creating a digital recipe book is a perfect example of its capabilities. Let's dive in and set up your recipe book step by step. First, open up Notion on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new page. Let's title this page Recipe Book because it'll serve as the home for all your culinary creations. On this page, you'll add a database that will help you organize and catalog your recipes efficiently. To add a database, simply type the /character followed by database. This will show you a list of database options. From this list, select Table Full Page, which will give you a comprehensive table layout to work with. For the title of this new database, let's call it Recipes. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now let's set up various properties for your table, each designed to capture specific details of your recipes. Start with Recipe Name. This field will have a type of title, and it will serve as the main identifier for each dish. Next, add a property called Cuisine with the type Select. This allows you to categorize your recipes by cuisine, such as Italian, Indian, or Mexican. Moving on, create another Select type property called Meal Type. Here you can distinguish whether a recipe is for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just a snack. Next, you'll want to add a Number type property for both prep time and cook time. This helps you estimate the minutes required for preparation and cooking, making meal planning a breeze. Another useful property to include is Difficulty, also a Select type, where you can choose between easy, medium, or hard, depending on the complexity of the recipe. If you like to keep track of how much you enjoy each dish, add a Number property for Rating, where you can rate your recipes based on personal preference. Don't forget to include an Ingredients field with the type Text. This is where you'll list everything you need to make the dish. For recipes you particularly love, add a checkbox property called Favorite, making it easy to spot your go-to dishes. Lastly, to make your recipe book more visual, add an Image property under Files and Media where you can include a photo of the completed dish. And there you have it, a fully customized recipe book in Notion. With all these structured details, you'll be able to manage and access your recipes with ease. Enjoy experimenting in the kitchen and let Notion help you keep all your favorite meals at your fingertips. Happy cooking!